Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to download PayPal on iPhone. Having the PayPal app makes it easy to send and receive money, shop online and manage your account right from your phone. So let's get started on how to download PayPal on iPhone. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type in PayPal and hit the search button. Once the PayPal app appears in the search list, tap on it to open its details page. Finally, on the PayPal app's details page, tap on the Get button. If you have previously downloaded the app, you might see a cloud icon with an arrow pointing downwards instead. Tap on it to download the app. And this is how you can download PayPal on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.